Hi friends, today I'm going to draw this new project. So in this drawing, the photo is so much highlighted. I'm going to show you the drawing step by step in this video. Okay friends, by watching the reference photo, I am drawing the initial layers step by step. So in this picture, observing deeply and adding the layers one by one. For the hairs, I am using this makeup brush for the initial layer. So in this picture, the picture is so much highlighted by the lighting effect. That's why the details are very less, but I am going to observe this deeply. And okay friends, now next I am going to add the details in the eyeball. Yeah, I am using the 4B pencil and 6B pencil for darkness. It will be very dark and it looks so natural. So now I am adding the details by observing the photo reference step by step. Now I am using 4B pencil for the eye detail. Yeah, now I'm making sure that using this the photo is so much highlighted by the light, that's why I can't see the darkness more on the faces. But where are the darker parts, I am observing and making sure that darker parts are clear. So now I am adding the darker parts by 4B and 6B pencil. Now the eyebrows are a little bit lightly. For that also using this 6B and 4B pencil. And at the mouth, near teeth and the little bit shading parts for the lips by using only pencil. Okay, after that highlighting the dress part, the neck and the dress also, shading with the 6B pencil. Okay, after this I'm going to shade with the brush, makeup brush. After that outline, making the outline darker and observing the shading parts, slightly shading. This is the light dark pencil. I am using this makeup brush for skin tone to look little bit smoothly. Yeah, I'm so little bit looking great, and I am drawing now the hairs, the initial part of hairs, drawing with darker pencil, 6B pencil. I am observing the hair flow and making sure that how the hairs are flow. And now I am going to shade with this makeup brush for this initial layer. Afterwards I am using this mechanical pencil and a HB pencil for drawing the hairs in the detailed. This is the 4B pencil I am using. Hair flow. We can use charcoal pencil also for darker. I am using the 6B and 4B pencil. I am observing the hair flow and going on drawing the hairs. And the hairs are looking so dark, and the shading parts I am observing clearly and making sure that I can make the shading parts clearly. Okay, the hair flow and the shading parts. Shading with this 6B pencil only. It is so darker. Observing the reference photo and making the looking hairs look little bit better. That's why I'm shading with this 6B pencil only. The light hairs also drawing with this 6B pencil. After that finishing mechanical pencil, I am using this mechanical pencil. Slightly the hairs showing outside. The eyebrow smooth parts and the hairs a little bit touch up by the mechanical pencil, adding more details. Okay friends, this is